May lulutuin ako. I'll share this. This is na the final product. Grabe talaga yung pawis ko. Grabe talaga, Lord. Hindi tama. Yung ngayon lang nangyari, nagsuka siya. Sobrang dami.
Welcome to our back channel.
Wake up, the sun is shining. A brand new day, it's so inviting.
Good morning, Bitter.
Hi, yes, open.
Open, that's the food of Bitter.
Yes,
Yes. Is Bitter hungry?
yes.
Hello.
Forgive him.
Give him. Okay, wait lang.
Oh no, we can't. Oh,
We see smile in the morning light. Feel the joy, it's pure delight. Embrace the peace, let it fill your soul. Gratitude for every wonderful.
Going back to work. And our daddy and Ellie is awake na. So, Achi, can I give this to you while you eat? Daddy, you prepare daddy ng cereal for Ellie. You get milk lang and sandwich. Yes. You want to eat egg sandwich?
you Pokemon Gengar. No,
Gengar.
changing face. And I
What do you
have
want to eat, Tachi? Crunch or this one?
this one and this one.
This one?
And this is black black.
This one, Tachi?
Into that, that, and that, and that. Into it. My favorite. This is the Becky Mart. We're telling the story. It's just a dream. Remember me? My name's Eddie. I'm reaching to 4 years old, but now I'm 5 years old. I'm going to reach into 6 years old. Maybe now, 1 years old. Now he's 2 years old. He's going to grow up into 3 years old. In the nursery strawberry. I'm going to be grade 1, but now we're still in kinder apple and favorite not in anything. Okay. Wow, I'm okay. Cereal, whoops. I'll be here. No, you cannot eat your daddy.
You did not ubos your cereal, Faith Faith.
Hello, Kaika.
What are you having a tea?
What happened? Why are you crying?
The favorite is the magnet. It's about to be the magnet. I don't want magnet anymore.
Oh, okay. Pepe, did you say sorry to Achi? Come here. You stand here. Come here. Come here. You know that Achi, what did you build ba? What did you build?
Baby, the church is now.
How did you build a church?
Yeah, but
And
no,
Pepe?
no.
Okay, okay. Here, wait lang. Stop crying na. It's okay na. It's okay na. Achi, Pepe. Pepe, it's bad to kick because Achi is playing. Maybe Achi is just an accident.
Yeah, but baby, love to kick the church. I love
Pepe.
Jesus.
Oh, you love Jesus. That's why you make a church. And Pepe kick it. Pepe also love Jesus. You not kick na, okay? Wait lang. Pepe, come here. Pepe. You say you have Achi and say sorry. Okay, now, so that Achi will come down, you count up to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Achi, you're the one naman who will have Pepe. Let's count to 10. Slowly. Okay, you count muna to 10. Ah, now, Pepe, you be careful na so that you will not hit the cabinet si Bachi. Diba, yung nga, if kay destroy your toys, you get angry, correct? Cry also. Okay. So, let's help Achi how we will build again the church. Okay? Okay. Then we will not get angry with Kai. Okay, come here. Okay.
It's just monkey. No, you just need Pokemon rice balloon.
Oo naman. Wala na yung makeup ko. Ganun ka. Init and pawis. Hi, workmate. Ganito pala yung setup ng work namin. Nasa likod si Daddy. Ay, grabe. Wait lang. Ang sakit ng likod ko. Grabe. Ilang oras lang yun na nakastay na nakaupo. It's 10 a.m. now. And dahil nga, diba, sabi ko, ako na yung cook ng bahay. Kasi mahirap siya ngayon kasi I'm facilitating a training. Pero usually kung wala naman, saka I'm not stuck sa training, makakook talaga ako like mga past days. Pero ngayon, tinatry namin, like ngayon, sige, may konting break time kami. I-ready ko na. Tingin tayo sa ref ko nung pwedeng makain. Nag-ready ako kahapon, baka para mag-fried chicken na lang. Let's check the ref. Kaya ayan, I want to make Daddy atong ang gutsugang lang na pork. Para mas may ano kami, may spicy na part. Tapos, I will make yung nag-ready na ako ng wings, chicken wings. Ipa-fry ko. So, mas mabilis na siya. Later, kasi may school si Achi Ellie, so si Daddy na yun in charge na lahat. Kahapon kasi dapat gagawa ako ng ano ba yun? Wait lang. Honey glazed, garlic honey glazed na chicken wings. Pero hindi siya nakaya. Pero feeling ko kayanin ko ngayon. Tapos, gawa ako ng Korean. Kasi kahapon bumili si Daddy. Nag-Kmart siya. So, mabili siya ng mga pwedeng lutuin. May niluluto kasi kami na special ramen. Ay, ramyun. Special ramyun. Na may mga nilalagay kaming mga basta. May mga extra. Kaya nga special. So, try kong gawin ngayon habang may meeting pa. I'll finish the training. Hopefully, matapos siya earlier. Para I can get ready and cook. Pero for now, dyan muna kayo. How do you call it?
Chow.
Chow meaning? Leaves?
No, seed.
Oh, that's very nice.
Moo.
Moo is tree. Alam mo, ikot-ikot ako. Punta sa mga kids, punta sa work. And now, magluluto. Wait. Yun, tapos balik ulit tayo sa work. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Actually,
Yes, Langga. You just do it there. Wait lang.
fun.
Grabe yung init as in. Super. They're there. That's one of her favorite ni Achi namin. Gusto niya talaga yung Chinese lessons niya. So they have a Google Classroom where saan nilalagay lahat ng mga lessons nila. So mga videos, even their PowerPoint slides, grabe. Nilalagay dyan. So si Ellie siya talaga yung nag-ask palagi, Mami, can I can I open? Ganon, she wants to learn, study daw yung new lessons nila. Ganon. Especially kapag Chinese. Favorite niya talaga ang Chinese as in. Yan. May mga lulutuin pa ako. Wait lang. They're eating na yung mga bata. Sabi ni Daddy yun. Si Daddy nag-ready na. Yes, where are you looking? Because I'm talking. Later lang. You wait for Mommy. Mommy will be there, okay? Grabe talaga yung pawis. Sobrang grabe yung init. Oo. I will show it to you later, okay? May lulutuin ako. I'll share this kasi talaga itong ginagawa namin ni Daddy dati nung nasa Manila pa kami. Mahilig kasi kami sa taste ng Korean. So, mga Korean na taste. So, mga gutsugang, mahilig kami nung. Meron kami yan dito sa bahay. If nakita nyo sa side, naka-ready na doon. May ginagawa ako sa mga natitira naming ulam. Kagabi, yung ulam namin na natira is we have nuggets, chicken. Tapos nagdagdag ako ng pork belly na konti. Para pang taste talaga that one. May imi-mix ako sa kanila. So parang gumagawa ako ng ng mix nila, parang sauce siya. So, it's a gochujang. Ano, parang may binase lang ako ng food. Basta yun siya. Let's see later if masarapan si Daddy. This one is a different mixture naman. Kasi gagawin kong smaller siya. Into bits yung lahat ng to. So, yung naririnig nyo, yan yung pinapanood ni Achi Ellie sa Chinese niya, ng mga videos. Yung chicken na yan, hindi yan. Yun yung, kasi mamaya gagawa ako ng honey, yung sabi ko, garlic honey glazed na chicken wings. So, later yan. Ito na siya ngayon yung matira, yung nuggets and chicken kagabi. Tapos, may pork belly ako na kinat for a small one. Then this one, meron kaming lagi dito nito. It's a Korean seasoned soybean paste. It's a paste na siya. Tapos, basta, nagisahan na yan siya. Parang ganun, may lasa na siya. I have the butter later and we'll add kimchi. So, yan lang yung ingredients and we'll cook them. Sometimes, nag-add ako ng sesame oil. This is na the final product. So, bale, andyan na yan yung pork belly kanina, the chicken, and the nuggets. Then, andyan na rin yung kimchi. And I put na yung gochujang na paste. So, yung soybean paste. Tapos, naglagay lang ako ng konting water. Parang stew yung labas niya. Then, papaano ko na lang to boil and hanggang saan mo na gusto. Gusto mo mas parang may soup siya o gusto mo parang dry, okay na yan siya. Because you make sure first na lahat ng nilagay dyan, luto na. Yan. Let's see if masarapan si Daddy. Hindi na ako inintay ni Daddy. Grabe talaga yung pawis. Sobrang init, Lord, nako. Daddy, how's it? Not that one, that's a chicken.
Well, it's part of the...
Manghang or okay lang, tama lang. Yeah.
Brings back memories.
Yeah. Ganyan kami magluto before nung nasa Maynila kami. Yummy.
Very.
Yeah. Very
I married the right one. Good job, Daddy.
Yan. Something to share with you guys, promise. Yan yung mga parang emergency na nasa ano nyo lang. Sarap, really? Coke? Anong Coke?
Coke.
Wait lang ha. I'll fix myself. Grabe talaga yung pawis ko. Grabe talaga, Lord. Hindi tama. We're in the car. Because of the heat. Sobrang init sa bahay na ang hirap magtrabaho and everything na talagang nag-take ako ng leave. Nag-ask permission ako sa boss ko na mag-leave ng half day. Kasi talagang lalabas kami. Dito na si Fei Fei. Iniwan na lang muna namin si Kai Kai. With the yaya. Kasi grabe talaga. Iba talaga ang init sa bahay. Ngayon, sama lang kami kay Daddy sa errands niya. Dapat siya lang yung lalabas. Yan, ang gwapo ni Daddy. Yeah. Pero yan, nandito kami sa car. Kasi nakatutok dito yung aircon niya. Pero yun nga, grabe talaga, Bacolod, what is happening? Nag-check kanina si Daddy nung weather. Yung weather update. Kasi sabi niya, bakit grabe talaga yung init? Tapos parang kanina dami kaming kachat na tawag na to, yung mga relatives, especially yung mga matatanda na their fathers, mga ganun, na yun, sumasama yung pakiramdam, tataas ang BP, lahat. Yun nga, i-blame baka sa sobrang init. Lahat kasi, ay nako, hindi siya talaga tama. Pero maapektuhan yung lahat ng dinaramdam mo if sa init na to. Even yung mga schools ngayon, ay nag-declare na nung last time, yung city talaga namin na no class for the schools. Pero, syempre sa mga private schools, ay suspended by the city. Nasa kanila pa rin if they will follow that. Pwede silang mag-online class kasi may mga capabilities na gano'n. Yung iba naman na alam namin, nag-half day lang. Sa morning pinapapasok yung mga bata, tapos pinapauwi, especially sa mga public schools na, naku, electric fan lang ata yung meron sila sa room, gano'n. Tapos, yung amin naman, honestly, ang ginawa is pinapasok kasi may aircon sila. Yung mga schools naman na may aircon naman sa mga classrooms, pinapapasok na nila. Kasi yun nga, ma-sure naman nila na okay yung mga bata kapag papasok sa school. Talaga hindi ko talaga nakaya kanina. Hindi ako makapag-isip. It's very irritable na yung lahat sa bahay. Tapos nako, kung walang kuryente ay nako na lang talaga. Hindi ko na maisip ako paano mangyayari, ganun. So, ngayon, may nabaon pa ako kasi may need akong tapusin na work na hindi ko kanina talaga, hindi ako makapag-work na mabuti. Pero, we did take a day off for this half day na lang. Lalabas-labal. Yan na yung isang bata. Lalabas kami. I'll fix up. Alam mo, parang napagod na ako sa kaka-makeup kasi nauubo siya ng pawis. I love you. Wow. That's very pretty. I'll fix up muna. Fix muna ako ng mukha ko. Pepe! What will you eat nga? What will you eat? Pancake! Oh, sobrang happy niya talaga. That's the happy face of daddy.
Nabasa lang ako weird. Same reaction.
We're here sa Pancake House in Ayala Mall. Dito muna kami magsistay. Magpa-pancake kami. Yung ice cream namin naging pancake. What is this?
Pancake. I think.
Daddy, do not put peanut butter in every kasi I don't like that. I don't like peanut butter. I just like this kind. You have, is that M&M's? No. M&M's? Oh, sugar rush for Kaika, for Pepe. Kukunin na namin si Achi. Then, we're going home. And, I think that kaya ang water. Pero, baka ba no need na go to Aya?
Sure.
For Babat. Hindi, di ba you see kanina ang sa red na water,
British shot.
Hi, guys! Guys! Hi, guys! Do not check your sleeping. No, sleeping si Pepe. No.
You're vlogging.
Yeah, mommy's vlogging. We are now going to SM. It's nighttime na, it's 6. And because we have some errands that we need to do. And hello, sobrang dami ng cars.
I'm in SM now. We're going to buy diaper and anything.
Diaper and anything. Well, that's correct. Pinaka-priority yung diaper. Kasi hindi namin na hindi pa dumating yung in-order ko online. Online na kasi ako yung order ng diapers nila. So, hindi pa siya dumating, na delay siya. So, kinulang kami. We need to buy one. And then, what else will we buy nga, Achi? What else will we buy?
We will see.
You'll see. Well, we will see. We're home. And very frustrated si Mommy kasi nasira ni Kaika yung phone stand, yung gimbal ko. So nilalagay ko lang yung mga phone ko anywhere. Naghahanap ako ng posisyon. And it's so difficult, but wala tayong magawa. Ay nako, na-reach ni Kaikai. Ay nako. It's okay. Kasi nagbili ako ng grocery. Dapat bibili lang kami ng diaper. Pero nung nandun ako sa SM, ang dami kong binili. Bumili na ako ng mga shrimp, yung mga food namin, yung mga gulay kasi meron pala doon. I did not expect. Parang hindi kasi ako nag-grocery sa SM. Palagi kaming Robinson. So, parang mas complete pala doon. So, we decided ni Daddy, maybe next time, doon na nga kami mag-grocery para at least cover yung lahat. So, I will try to clean up all the groceries. Nakabili ako ng shrimp. Grabe, ang mahal na. Sa SM dito, yung shrimp, 1 kilo, 499. Well, sa market kasi 400 naman, mga 435. So, mas mahal nga sila. Pero, that's much better. At least nasa one place lang kapag nag-grocery ka. Siyempre, nagbili kami ng ice cream for the family. And yung favorite ng mga bata, chicken nuggets. Bought gulay na ipe-prepare ko na in the morning para mas mabilis sa amin. Bukas kasi gagawa ako ng laswa. Gulay, pinag-in. Okay, how about you? Did you din na cha-cha pa?
No, he finished cha-cha.
Finish cha-cha na? Are you hungry? Finish na? Because we will eat ice cream, we finish na. It's already 12 midnight. And gising pa kami. Saka hindi na ako naka-vlog after nung dinner namin. Kasi yun nga, late na kaming nakarating ng bahay. Tapos, tok na ako. Dire-diretso na ang lahat to the kids. Tapos ngayong gabi, sana pero mag-rest kami sana ng early. Gulat na lang kami, yun nga, sleeping na kasi si Kai. Early kasi naman yung niya, bedtime niya. Yung sobrang init niya na, tapos, iyak na siya ng iyak, yun nga, kasi sa init niya, sa fever niya, lahat. So, hindi kami makatulog, we cannot even do anything. Ngayon lang ako bumaba, just to say goodbye to the vlog. Saka, yun, yung ngayon lang nangyari, nagsuka siya, sobrang dami sa bed namin, lahat. See, it's not food, kasi kanina, wala na siyang gana, hindi na siya nakapag-dinner talaga ng full, nag-milk na lang siya. So, maybe that time, sama na yung pakiramdam niya. Na dami nang pumapasok sa isip ko na pwedeng possible, baka ba sabi ko, baka sa init lang ba lahat. Pero may konting sipon din naman kasi siya. Pero wala namang iba, walang cough, anything, walang rash. Hopefully talaga is just parang viral infection lang. Naku Lord. Dami pumasok sa isip ko. At sana hindi dengue, wala ganun, ay nako. Pero just giving it to the Lord, praying talaga na okay yung lahat, saka makapag-rest na siya, nakainom na siya ng medicine. And kami din ni Daddy kasi may work pa tomorrow. We end it with a positive note, trusting the Lord with everything. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. Super random ng mga nangyari sa amin for today. Pero yun lang, sharing just our day sa inyo. And I hope na, yun nga, na-enjoy nyo din. So, good night. Let's rest. And hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.